Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're looking at the Travor Dual Wireless Lavalier microphone system. We're going to go ahead and start with an unboxing, and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here we have the box. Looks like a very new box. This is a new product, and they are testing it out, because kind of stock footage-y, stock images that it has. Here's what comes in the kit. So very simple box. Okay, here we go. We have the instruction manual, which is very thin. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, tells you what adapters to use for what device you want to record on. So that'll come in handy a little later. All right, let's grab one of these transmitters. Oop, accidentally pressed the power button right there. Alright. Anyway, yeah, feels good. Guess that's how you change the channel frequency. Feels good, does not feel cheap. It feels like an aluminum around it with plastic. Has a clip right there, the antenna. It's very light, it is not hefty. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the other one. But yeah, it feels good. Feels solid. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We have the headset right here. Okay, got it untangled. Here's the headset. Very, very light. Very easy to put on, it looks. They give you two, which is awesome. Let's see what else. We have the receiver right here. So as you can see, you will probably need to use an adapter. It has a bunch of them, but yeah, this is also very lightweight. Does not feel too hefty. Let's look at all the cables it comes with. We have some micro USB. We have a singular one, and then we have another one with two ends. I'm guessing so you can charge both at the same time, both transmitters. Here we have a little mount for a hot shoe, so you can put it on your camera, or cold shoe, I forget what you call it. And let's see, what do we got here? This is one of the Lav mics, Lavalier mics. Alright, it's definitely a lot bigger than I'm used to seeing for a Lav mic, but other than that, looks good. Looks good. Feels solid. Alright, here we have the second one. Again, comes with two. And then a mess of adapters here for any situation that you have. So here we have this one. And this other one over here. This one has a tag that says camera on it. And then the other one over there. So if you look at the booklet, it will tell you which adapter to use for what. But this is what I'm going to be using right now. So again, we have the transmitter right here. We're going to turn that on. And then we have the receiver, which you turn on by just pressing the power button right there. And they should automatically sync up. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to turn one on or press a button or, sync them or anything like that. It'll just recognize it. Alright, so I have the mic connected to my camera right now. It does have a special adapter that says camera on it. There's a little tag on it. So use that one. And I can see on my camera levels that it is picking this up. So the receiver's there. I have the transmitter right here. You can change the frequency, and it should just automatically pick up. You don't really have to do much. If you're getting interference, or you find you're getting interference, you can definitely move it around. But this is all you really need, and it's super easy to use. I don't really have complaints about it. The Lav mic is a little bigger than I'm used to seeing, but depending on what you're using it for, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm always on the lookout for a good Lav mic. Especially the more I start doing projects outside of the house, and this just gives me a little more flexibility. Like a regular Rode mic connected to my camera might not be enough. Sometimes you might need something like this. So let me know what you guys think. You can connect it to a bunch of different devices. There's, like I said, a bunch of adapters, so you can connect it to a tablet or your phone. I'm choosing to try it out on my camera here, but you let me know what you think. I think the sound sounds pretty solid, and yeah, go grab one today. Alright, so you want to know where you can get this and how much it is. You can grab this on Amazon right now for $75.99. Now that's the price for this double kit that I'm showing you right now. If you want the single kit with just one lav mic and one set of everything, that is $35.99 also on Amazon. But as like I said, this is a great starter system. You can hear a pretty loud hiss with the microphone, but that is completely normal. You definitely want to clean up your audio anyways. I mean, you get a hiss with the microphone I'm using right now, and I definitely clean it up. So other than that, it's a great microphone. Definitely check it out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.